Hello friends and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clearissa. Today's video is going to be a DIY. I thought we'd have some fun doing 3 projects together. One will be a wreath that I'm going to make using mainly Dollar Tree items, and the second will be some bottles that I upcycle, and the third will be a box that I stained for the bottles. So stay tuned and join me for these DIY projects. So come on in, let's get creative. So for project 1, I'm using a Dollar Tree wreath. It's a smaller one, and I'm going to use some ribbon that I picked up from, this was from Michael's, the ribbon was. And the florals were from Dollar Tree that you will see coming up, as will be the metal lettering that I'm also going to use. It says welcome. So sit back and, again, let's be creative.
Lonesome dripping, 'cause we're spending the night, and it feels alright, but it's over now. Time keeps slipping, with your skin next to mine, and your lips I can fight, but it's over now. You brought out the best in me, we had everything we needed. You put me aside and turned out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe, something you never needed? What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we're colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. To change your selfish ways, to love me more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we're colliding. Had a vision, we held on to so tight. To me it was clear, but you lied to me. Now I keep thinking, was I wasting my time, letting you into my life? You brought out the best in me, we had everything we needed. You put me aside and turned out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe, something you never needed? What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we're colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. To change your selfish ways, to love me more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we're colliding. We go back, we go back, we go back, we're colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Was it all make-believe, something you never needed? Or was it a flaw? I don't know yet anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we're colliding. Hey. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. To change your selfish ways, to love me more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we're colliding.
So friends, all of the florals that I'm using are from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is really stepping up its game lately with its florals. I think they're all very, very nice. Not as natural looking as some from Michael's, but I think for Dollar Tree they're very good, and nice sized bunches as well. So friends, if you're new here and you haven't already subscribed to the channel, why don't you hit that subscribe button below? And once you do, hit that bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. It's a fun channel, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it here. We do fun things like DIYing, as we're doing today. We also do cleaning videos for cleaning inspiration, shopping hauls, seasonal decor, as well as regular decor. So it's a lot of fun. So just subscribe. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. And also, if you're one of my new subscribers, I want to say welcome. I'm so glad that you've decided to make this a part of your day and your life. We appreciate you. And for my ride or dies, You know how I feel about you. I love you, I love you, I love you. And I'm so grateful that you're here. So we're going to continue with this DIY. I'm going to set it back to music, and we're going to continue to be creative.
Tell me if I got it wrong, but you don't wanna be alone. Spend the evening by yourself, but you'll miss me when it's getting late. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you'll let me. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours. If you let go, boy, loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go, boy. You don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time is a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Go ahead and tell your friends. Talk it out, but it won't end. You are never true to heart. You need me when it's getting dark. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you let me. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours. If you let go, boy, loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go, boy. You don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time is a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. If you let go, boy, loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. You love and let go, boy. You don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You.
So friends, what do you think? I think it turned out really nice. It's small, perfect to go on front of a window, and you'll see it styled in my home soon. So here we're coming up to project number 2. And it's a box. I picked this box up from Michael's. I think I paid $4.99 for it. So I'm going to stain it, the start stain it. As you can see, I'm wiping it on. And then I will rub a little off, not much because I want it dark. You'll see upcoming in this video that I will be using makeup sponges to get in all the corners and everything to make sure that it's evenly stained. So keep watching.
Baby, I've been thinking about the things we said. Oh yeah. And maybe we'd be better off being just friends. Oh yeah. It's getting kinda obvious what you want from me. Only calling when you feel alone. You make promises, then you let them go. So if you just wanna have my body, you better go find somebody else. Feeling just wanna break my heart. No, it's getting kinda obvious what you want from me. Only calling when you feel alone. You make promises, then you let them go. So if you just wanna have my body, you better go find somebody else. It's getting kinda obvious what you want from me. Only calling when you feel alone. You make promises, then you let them go. So if you just wanna have my body, you better go find somebody else. On my way home, stumbling on the pavement, yeah. No sleep in my body, last night got me wasted, yeah. Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe and sound, yeah. I'm pretty sure if I fall down and don't get up, nobody would care, yeah. Don't wanna be alone anymore, so I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Ooh, yeah, yeah.
So friends, as I set the box aside to let it dry, to let the stain dry, I'm going to start with my jars. I'm going to paint them 2 different colors. One will be this yellow. They're both pounced in this chalk paint from Walmart. It's the folk art, I believe. And one will be in the yellow, and the other will be in a nice light sage green. And then I will adorn them with pearls and twine, and we will see the end result.
I get home safe and sound, yeah. I'm pretty sure if I fall down and don't get up, nobody would care, yeah. Don't wanna be alone anymore, so I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Ooh, yeah, yeah. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Yeah, yeah. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Never been in love, yeah. I'm still waiting for the one. Looking for someone who cares about my needs. Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe and sound, yeah. I'm pretty sure if I fall down and don't get up, nobody would care, yeah. Don't wanna be alone anymore, so I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Yeah, yeah. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Yeah, yeah. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked.
Friends, I wanted to make sure that I popped in to let you know the colors of the paint. The yellow is Folk Art Summer Front Porch, and the green is Mineral. I love this green. I really do. I like the yellow too, but I really love this green.
Time takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. Time, I am stressing out, I can't figure out what to say. Oh, time, just give us time. Time, looking back on pictures, and I find it hard to see you and myself in places where we used to be. Oh, time, we got older, babe, and I wanna stay with you. Don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be in love, babe? Promise me we'll never fall. Time took a toll on us.
So friends, if you're still here, I want to thank you for staying until the end. Stick around for the reveal. I think you'll be pleased with the way these turn out. I want to also invite you once again to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. It helps my channel immensely, and I greatly appreciate it. Also, remember to come back and for our next video. Okay, guys, I hope that this has been inspiring to you. I hope that you be a little creative as well. It doesn't take much. It's not difficult to do. And you can make some great decor for your home. I want to encourage you today to find something that brings joy into your life. Perhaps it is sitting and being creative and DIYing, or something else. But whatever your happy place is, just find something today that brings joy into your life. Also, I'm going to leave you the way that I always do, with lots of love, hugs, and blessings. I want you happy, I want you well, and I want you safe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.